Hey, grade 7s, we're going to do another circumference question here. But in this case, we're looking at a word problem, okay? So it says Jaden has a garden in the shape of a semicircle. He wants to put a fence up around the perimeter of his garden. What length of fence does he need? So the first thing that we need to do is realize that we're trying to calculate the circumference, so the measurement around the circle, okay? So that is going to be its circumference, okay? But we notice that this is a half a circle, so there might be something tricky that we might have to do. Okay, either way, our first step is to begin with our formula. Circumference is equal to pi times the diameter. Okay, and we then just replace our variables with what we know. So circumference is equal to pi, which is 3.14, multiplied by the diameter, which we were given is 20 meters. Okay, so we'll bring out our calculator here and we'll multiply 3.14 multiplied by 20. Okay, so we're given that the circumference is 62.8 meters. Okay, so but because we notice that this isn't a full circle, is it? So we know that we might have to do something here. And in this case, we have to divide it in half because we're only looking at half the circle, right? You can pretend that the rest of it is here, right? But we're only needing this half. Okay, so that's easy. We can just divide this by 2, cut it in half. So the actual outside measurement of this half of the circle is 62.8 divided by 2, which we could figure is 31.4 meters. So the measurement, I'll just do it in this color here, blue, the measurement of this here is of that part of the garden is 31.4 meters. Okay, so we need 31.4 meters of fence here. But wait a second, it said to enclose the garden, right? So all the way around. So we cannot forget about this measurement here. Okay, and all we need then is to add the balance, which was 20 meters, which was that length here. So we just add that up, and that becomes 51.4 meters. So Jaden would need 51.4 meters worth of fence to enclose his garden. Okay, give another one of these. You might see a few of these in your textbook as an example. And then, as always, be sure to ask your teacher if you need a little bit more help and or some more examples.